Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to lock cell in Excel. To start, open Excel. Here, click on the top corner to select the entire sheet. Then, right-click and select Format Cells. You are going to go to the Protection tab. Confirm that the locked box is active. Click on OK. After this, select only the cells that you are going to edit. Right-click on them and choose Format Cells. Here in the Protection tab, uncheck the locked box. Click Apply. After, go to Review menu. In this menu, click on Protect Sheets. In the window, enter the password and select, if you need, the values to block. Click on OK and confirm the password. As you can see, it is possible to edit only the cells from which you remove the protection. If you try to edit any of the other cells, you will see an error. To edit all again, click on Unprotect Sheet. Enter your password and review that it's possible to edit any cell. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.